You may not know much about us, but we've been helping to defend the nation for over 40 years.
We're DIA, the Defense Intelligence Agency. Our job is to collect, analyze, and produce the best military intelligence.
Intelligence that helps our military commanders and senior government leaders make the best decisions for our national defense.
We're DIA, and we want you to know more about who we are and what we do.
DIA is a combat support agency of the Department of Defense, and our motto says it all: committed to excellence in defense of the nation. We're a principal member of the U.S. intelligence community, and we've been on the job for over 40 years.
Our mission is to provide timely, objective, and cogent military intelligence to the warfighters, soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, and to the policy and decision makers of the Department of Defense. DIA intelligence analysts working with the CIA, the State Department, and other government agencies maintain comprehensive knowledge bases in an effort to know something about everything at all times. Our country's leaders and military commanders need an immediate understanding of the intentions and capabilities of foreign military and paramilitary forces when questions arise.
And we don't just limit ourselves to learning about foreign military forces. U.S. commanders and government leaders need to know more about other international security concerns, such as terrorism, the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction, narcotics trafficking, arms trafficking, weapons testing, foreign politics, global economics, and geographic, medical, and health issues.
So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. DIA intelligence experts closely monitor worldwide developments, especially terrorism and other international hotspots where America has an interest. So how do we do it? How do we maintain this vast amount of information at our fingertips?
DIA analysts get their information from many sources and agencies, often through high-tech means, as well as age-old intelligence methods. Satellite photos and images captured by reconnaissance aircraft create what's known as geospatial intelligence, or GEOINT. Other information comes from intercepted electronic signals and communications, or what's known as signals intelligence, or SIGINT.
And DIA leads the way in measurement and signature intelligence, or MASINT. MASINT comes from a variety of collection systems that identify the signatures or unique attributes of military equipment and weapons. It enables DIA to monitor and track suspicious weapon systems. But MASINT also has civilian applications, like warnings about a forest fire, a volcanic eruption, or a dangerous pollution source. And this data gleaned from natural phenomena helps DIA support environmental studies.
Sometimes the oldest form of intelligence gathering works the best. DIA reaches out to foreign nationals on the street for time-critical information. Human intelligence, or HUMINT, often provides the critical piece of the puzzle, providing a clearer understanding of an issue for DIA analysts. DIA also maintains a robust logistics and IT infrastructure that supports multiple 24/7 watch centers that focus on global intelligence and counterintelligence. For example, the Defense Intelligence Operations Coordination Center is the lead organization for supporting global defense operations for all the combatant commands. This center serves as a bridge linking the defense and national intelligence communities.
DIA established and operates a specialized group of intelligence officers who concentrate on fighting worldwide terrorism. The Joint Intelligence Task Force for Combating Terrorism collects, analyzes, and shares intelligence with military commanders, government officials, and other intelligence agencies. At the Defense Counterintelligence and Human Intelligence Center, the mission is to stop foreign intelligence agencies and terrorist groups from gathering information about or carrying out attacks against the U.S. military. There's also the National Military Command Center at the Pentagon, where DIA maintains an around-the-clock intelligence watch to monitor world events and emerging crisis situations. DIA has supported Operation Iraqi Freedom and is at the tip of the spear in Afghanistan, supporting Operation Enduring Freedom. And DIA's support to the war on terror is global and unwavering. In short, DIA employees are prepared and trained to deploy anywhere in the world, including combat zones, as vital intelligence resources whenever and wherever needed.
And there's more. DIA's Missile and Space Intelligence Center at Redstone Arsenal in Alabama performs comprehensive scientific and technical intelligence analysis of foreign ballistic missile and directed energy systems and their associated electronic command, control, computer, and communication systems.
And focusing on medical threats, both foreign and domestic, DIA's National Center for Medical Intelligence produces all-source medical intelligence for global force protection as well as homeland health protection.
Also, DIA manages an important part of our nation's diplomatic efforts. We assign the best military officers and civilians to U.S. embassies and operating bases around the world. Working for the U.S. ambassador, these defense attachés serve as representatives for the Department of Defense in their respective countries, and they maintain open and diplomatic relationships with foreign military leaders.
And DIA operates the fully accredited National Defense Intelligence College. There, students throughout the government can earn valuable higher education degrees in strategic intelligence. Also, DIA collaborates closely with the Department of Homeland Security and civilian law enforcement organizations to protect our citizens and our country from harm.
From the President of the United States to the soldier in the field, from the Department of Defense to the broader intelligence community, DIA is committed to excellence in defense of the nation.
DIA intelligence helps to create a global awareness that provides warnings, identifies opportunities, and delivers overwhelming advantages to our defense planners, our national security policymakers, and our warfighters. It's DIA intelligence that helps our leaders make the best possible decisions in defense of our strategic interest.
So we're DIA, committed to excellence in defense of the nation.
We're DIA in service to our country.
We're DIA,
The
Defense
Intelligence
Agency.